My name's Neville Clokey. I'm the owner of Stothert Cushions. We've worked with Crowberry Consulting on achieving SMETA accreditation. We first heard of Crowberry Consulting through a long-standing contact within the industry. They came highly recommended because they're particularly well versed in the product that we were interested in, the SMETA. The service that Crowberry Consulting provided for us was to perform a SMETA gap analysis. Initially they came in and performed a gap analysis, which effectively was going through where we are now. Where do we need to get to achieve the accreditation that we need? First and foremost, it was detailing all the requirements of the SMETA audit, making us aware of everything that was necessary for us to achieve. Then we worked together going through all of our processes to make sure that we were conforming. Where in areas where we weren't conforming, which there were some, we mapped out a plan. The ethical gap analysis entailed working with us to find out the areas where we needed to improve to reach the accreditation. Working with Crowberry Consulting, the things that have helped us the most have been the detail that we've gone into with them. We work closely with them, starting off with the site tour, for example, going through the whole process, all of our operations. We looked at things like occupational safety, we looked at human resources, we looked at the entire process from start to finish. That enabled Crowberry to see where we were up to with all of our processes and identify areas where we were not conforming to the SMETA requirements. There were certain areas, certain requirements of that particular audit that we weren't aware of, and so Crowberry have helped us to come into line with all of that. During the audit, the Crowberry Consulting team interacted with our internally formed team. We have a team of people here which are concentrating on achieving SMETA accreditation, mapping out an agenda for what was required, action plans, who was going to do what, by when, and our internal team has found the input from Crowberry to be invaluable actually. The ethical gap analysis has impacted our business because it allows us to offer our products to high street companies who otherwise wouldn't deal with us. The advice that we've had from Crowberry Consulting has been particularly useful with regard to the ethical nature of our business. One of the things that Crowberry went through with us was our requirements with subcontractors. They must also meet the approvals required that we must meet, as well as the fact that internally we've worked with our HR team and with our Health and Safety Committee, all of which has been part of the team with Crowberry. Crowberry Consulting did provide unexpected added value, specifically an introduction to the Chamber of Commerce. We would rate the service that Crowberry have provided as very highly, so much so that we're still working with them on this project and probably others in the future. We would be very happy to recommend Crowberry Consulting.